Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy JFS. I just want to say I appreciate you guys. I thank you guys for liking the videos, for sharing the videos. You guys are doing a phenomenal job. Please continue to share these videos. Continue to like these videos because you know the whole YouTube algorithm, and so that we can grow. So yeah, today, before I start, I just want to say, ignore my button here. So a little string was hanging on, and I just pulled the string, and here's the result. So now I gotta sew that back together. But yeah, so today I just wanted to talk about how to deal with prejudice when purchasing your first rental property. I experienced this, I believe, last Sunday when I was seeing the property for the first time. The seller realtor went over there, me and my brother and my realtor. So we got to see the property first. Before we even saw the property, I don't know if the realtor, he was kind of like, I don't want to say like scared of the tenants, but he's like overprotective of the tenants. So we got there and we went to this one tenant's house and a unit, and the seller realtor he knocked on the door for like 3 seconds, waited for like 2 seconds, and he used his key to open the door. As soon as he opened the door, the tenant came to the door and he was like, "Yo, what are you doing? How you just gonna open the door like that?" And mind you, when we got into the property or into the unit, the tenant only was living in a studio, so if there was doing anything, that could have been exposed. So that's like one flag right there. Then we saw the whole property, and then after we saw the whole property, we got to talking, and the seller's realtor was like, "Hey," he was talking to me. He was
like, "Hey, so yeah, what do you do?" I was like, "Hey, yeah, so I'm in customer service." He was like, "Oh yeah, like what though? Like you working for Walmart?"
And so yeah, I answered him like, "No, I'm not working for Walmart." I answered what I was working for and basically what field I was in. I didn't really know how to answer that question. And then my realtor was like, no, hey, you don't have to answer that. So it's not until after I spoke with my realtor, and my realtor was like, "Man, look, you don't have to answer those type of questions. Sometimes the seller, because the person that's selling the units, it's like a triplex. The person that's selling it is the realtor sister-in-law, so they have that family bond." So my realtor was like, "Hey man, you don't have to answer those type of questions. Sometimes they ask you those type of questions to see if you're serious or if you can afford the property." And I didn't really know until my realtor basically broke it down to me. So if you are looking to purchase your first income property, I just want to coach you on that. That's a bit of information I got, and I want to pass it on to you. When those questions are being asked, you don't have to answer them. You can just tell them that you're serious about purchasing the property, or that doesn't matter, because and the funny thing also, I'm already under contract with to purchasing this property. And so yeah, I just wanted to pass down this information for you guys, and a little bit of background of this property. Me and my realtor had spoken to this realtor before, and he was like, okay, all right, everything's cool. We were gonna get under contract with him. Then my realtor asked him, was anyone else purchasing, or was anyone else under contract? And he was like, no one under contract. So we was excited, so we was moving forward. And then he contacted my realtor like, "Hey, I don't think we're looking to sell it anymore. We have someone that's purchasing it with cash." So it was kind of iffy. He was like, "Well, wow, you didn't tell us that before." He basically like string us along. Then a couple of weeks went by. He called us back. He was like, "Hey, he's ready to get under contract to go by our terms." So basically that's where we at right now. So I'll give you guys more updates as we move along. The process is it's going so far. The process is going. I don't want to say much. I don't want to, just wait until to see how far it goes. I will update you guys when we're on the road of purchasing my first rental income property. That's big. So yeah. Like I said before in the beginning of the video, continue to like this video, share this video with anyone that you think may be looking to purchase a rental property. Remind you, I'm doing an FHA also, so with the FHA, it's kind of like there's certain things that you have to meet by. And also, we mentioned about doing the inspection, and he was like,
why do you guys have to do inspection? When my sister-in-law first purchased this property, we didn't do no inspection. She just bought it with cash.
And my realtor had to set him straight, like, look, sir, I'm doing the FHA. With the FHA, you have to do an inspection, the appraisal, for the insurance, for the bank that's giving us the loan. So, yeah, so we have to do all that part. So, you have to wait, sir. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Peace be with you.